Welcome to your journey to peak profits with gold trading. Tired of hesitation and losses? In the next 30 seconds, I'll reveal a proven strategy to turn gold's market swings into winning opportunities, even if you're a complete beginner. Get ready to build confidence, rake in profits, and secure a strong financial future. Let's go. Picture this. John is staring at his trading screen as the price soars. Then it plummets like a snake. Your friend Sarah opens a buy order at the perfect moment. Then her phone rings, and she misses the entire trade. You're hopping through Telegram groups like a treasure hunt, but all you find are rumors. No winning trades. These scenes might be comic, but the real cost is your time and money. We're here to break that vicious cycle. Have you ever felt betrayed by the market? How many times have you watched your capital evaporate before your eyes? Loss stings deeply, and a string of failures leaves wounds that won't heal easily. But remember, planning shields you from regret. Set your stop loss before entering, and don't let emotion take the wheel. Risk management eases the pain. Never risk more than 1% of your capital on a single trade. Learn from every loss. Journal each trade. Note what worked and what didn't. Your frustration today is the fertile ground for tomorrow's wisdom. When you open your trading platform, remember you're the captain of a unique financial journey. You chart the course to success. Start your day with a positive affirmation. I control my decisions and learn from every experience. Next, give yourself unshakable confidence. Keep a log of your achievements, even the small wins, to constantly remind your heart of your strength. Then, view every challenge as an opportunity to grow. When prices dip, think, this is my moment to prove my edge. Fourth, use visualization. Picture yourself 3 months from now, calmly hitting your targets with balance and poise. Fifth, reward yourself for discipline. Take a few minutes to celebrate a good trade and enjoy a short break before the next one. Finally, repeat to yourself, every decision built on planning and discipline brings me closer to my dream of financial freedom. That's the true power of trading, the power of the mind that builds wealth. Believe in yourself. Every new day is a chance for success. Don't let loss kill your passion. Let it be a lesson that makes you stronger. Stick to your plan and be patient. With every trade, you're one step closer to your dream. Success awaits those who believe, persist, and keep going. Your life deserves ambition. Trading is not a path lined with roses. It's a battlefield that tests your patience, your nerves, and your self-confidence. A trader faces violent fluctuations, tough decisions, and long hours filled with pressure and anticipation. A single losing trade can shake his core and make him question all his skills. Sometimes greed becomes the enemy, and fear a prison that prevents right decisions. Overwhelming information, conflicting signals, and rumors scatter the mind and let emotions take control. The trader may feel isolated, especially when watching others succeed while struggling with losses. He experiences mental pressure that can affect his sleep, health, and even relationships. The problem isn't the market, it's an unprepared mindset. The market shows no mercy, but it rewards discipline, patience, and self-trust. Success in trading isn't only about strategy, it's about mental strength and emotional balance. Without that, trading becomes a danger not just to your capital, but to your mental well-being. Despite losses, doubt, and market pressure, the confident trader stood firm. He learned from every fall and moved forward with determination. The journey wasn't easy, but it was worth it. With patience, discipline, and belief in success, he overcame fear and defeated hesitation. Today, he earns not just money, but self-respect. Success in trading isn't luck. It's a decision to keep going despite every challenge. In a moment, the trader loses a trade, then another, and doubt begins to consume his heart. He watches his profits vanish, fear paralyzing his decisions. Sleepless nights follow, searching for answers, for a glimpse of light in a storm of numbers. Voices whisper inside him, maybe this path isn't for you. Confidence fades, and the dream becomes a heavy burden. But a true trader doesn't give up. He reflects, learns from mistakes, and realizes that loss isn't the end, but the beginning of deeper understanding. He sees that discipline matters more than emotion, and every fall builds strength. He starts again, but this time with clarity, with control, with maturity. He is no longer shaken. He is ready for the challenge. With each new day, he sees growth in his decisions, and hope returns to his eyes. He knows success doesn't come suddenly. It's built with patience, determination, and belief. He feels stronger, closer to his dream. He no longer just trades. He lives his purpose, breathes freedom, and writes his own story. Because the trader who never breaks is the one who wins.